How is that heater on? I don't think I've ever seen that thing on.
The one that says no. It's really cold in here all of the time.
We could have had a heater running.
Diane!
Welcome to Offerman Woodshop. This is the sort of epicenter. Standing here, you can operate almost everything in the shop. The sheet goods come in, the solid lumber stock, which is a delightful candy store, the professional grade cabinet saw stop, complete with a sliding table and a massive outfeed table. If you can spoil yourself with this, you can get so much done. I grew up in a family of competent people, nurses, school teachers, paramedics, lives of service. And so I grew up seeing how using tools and being practical and self-sufficient could make for a very happy life without having to buy into the money economy. I'm still learning to emulate my family members. They're my heroes and I look up to them. And the wood shop is sort of the way that I still feel like I can hold my head up around them. Every good acting job I would get over the years, I would get a new machine. So we've got a great vacuum system, we've got mortising machines, hollow chisel mortiser, the beautiful 2436 from One Way lathes, our beautiful Powermatic planer, massive Laguna 24-inch bandsaw, Northfield joiner. It took on this life of its own, which I just love. I love that it allows a handful of people to eke out a livelihood in a beautiful wood shop where we care about making things with our hands more than making a profit. Over the years, I got a bunch of free redwood fence that somebody was tearing out, so I used it to line. I got a bunch of free doors. I wanted to make it feel like a weirdo's barn from Illinois where I grew up. My job is supporting it and administrating it and just loving it. A few different sanding stations, a couple of gorgeous drill presses. That Delta is from 1943 and it's just beautiful. Its name is Bill. We have a dirty name for that machine. The oscillating spindle sander is not the dirty name. The wonderful thing about woodworking is it's an education that never ends. I'm still learning. I still can't wait to get in here and finish what my next project is.